Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The Best Wet Duster is probably one of the most innovative cleaning tools I've come across. It's designed to make dusting a breeze, tackling everything from delicate surfaces to stubborn grime. In this video, we're diving deep into the Scrub Daddy Wet Duster, exploring its features, how well it works, and whether it lives up to the hype. Get ready to transform your cleaning routine. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Deep Clean Brush Set. Introducing the OXO Good Grips Deep Clean Brush Set. This set includes a large brush and a small brush with a wiper blade. It's designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more effective. The large brush is perfect for tackling grout, shower door tracks, and stove tops. Its durable bristles make it easy to scrub away dirt and grime. This brush is a must-have for any deep cleaning session. The small brush is ideal for fixtures and other tight spaces. It's designed to get into those hard-to-reach areas. This brush ensures a thorough clean, even in the smallest crevices. The small brush also features a wiper blade. This is perfect for cleaning built-up dirt from drains and other crevices. It helps to remove stubborn grime with ease. Both brushes feature durable nylon bristles for effective scrubbing. They also have soft, comfortable, and non-slip grips. This makes them easy to hold and use, even when wet. What we like. This brush set is perfect for tackling those hard-to-reach areas and stubborn grime. The small brush with wiper blade is ideal for cleaning up built-up dirt. If you are looking for a comprehensive cleaning solution for your kitchen and bathroom, you should consider this set. What people say. The set comes with 2 brushes, a larger one for wider areas like grout and shower door tracks, and a smaller one for tight spaces around faucets and drains. This versatility is a huge plus. The bristles are sturdy enough to tackle grime without being too abrasive. The small brush has a handy wiper blade that's perfect for clearing gunk out of crevices and drains. This little feature is surprisingly useful. Number 4. Scotch-Brite Odor Resist Non-Scratch Scrub Sponges. These are the new Scotch-Brite Odor Resist Non-Scratch Scrub Sponges. This product is designed to make your cleaning easier and more effective. Each pack comes with 6 sponges, ensuring you have plenty on hand. They are ready to tackle all your cleaning needs. These sponges scrub quickly and efficiently. Plus, they stay clean, making your cleaning tasks more pleasant. Even tough messes like eggs and cheese won't stick to them. It rinses clean every time, saving you time and effort. Thanks to the odor resist technology, it helps resist bacterial odors for up to 3 weeks. You can trust it to keep your kitchen fresh. They are safe for various surfaces, including dishes, non-stick cookware, and countertops. However, avoid using them on stainless steel appliances. What we like. These sponges are designed to scrub fast and stay clean, resisting bacterial odors for up to 3 weeks. They rinse clean every time, even with tough messes. If you like a sponge that stays fresh and clean, you should consider these. What people say. Good size, cleans well, and fun color. Doesn't start leaving an odor after 3 weeks of use like other products. Long life of sponge. Doesn't start to pull apart over time. One side is soft, the other has a light feeling scrub. Not abrasive. Great sponges. Perfect size for my hand. Absorbs enough water and dish detergent to get the job done. They feel nice and sturdy, look cute, the scrubby spots help. Thick, good quality dish sponge. Number 3. HEOATH Extendable Microfiber Duster. Introducing the HEOATH Slim Duster, the ultimate cleaning tool for those hard-to-reach spots. Its long, flat design effortlessly slides between and under appliances, making cleaning a breeze. This duster features an 18 bendable head, ensuring you can tackle any angle. It's perfect for cleaning under furniture, appliances, and in deep cabinets. The duster boasts a premium aluminum telescopic extension pole, offering lightweight, rust-proof, and sturdy construction. You can adjust the height to suit your needs, reaching up to 55 inches. The microfiber cloths are 100% machine washable for easy cleanup. The cloth cover is designed with elastic openings and has strong water absorption. You can use it wet or dry. The duster's microfiber head cleans large surfaces quickly. It attracts dust and hairs with ease. This tool makes your cleaning work easier. The HEOATH Extra Long Duster comes with a hanging hole for easy storage and drying after use. Its detachable design makes it easy to remove the brush head after cleaning. What we like. This duster features a bendable head and an extendable pole, perfect for reaching those tricky spots. The washable microfiber cloths make cleanup a breeze. If you have high ceilings or hard-to-reach areas, you should consider this duster. What people say. The Scrub Daddy Wet Duster is a game-changer for cleaning blinds. It is so easy to use and it really grabs the dust. The shape of the duster is perfect for getting into the slats of the blinds. Number 2. Scrub Daddy and Scrub Mommy Dual-Sided Sponge. This is the amazing Scrub Daddy and Scrub Mommy. It's a dual-sided sponge and scrubber. You'll love how versatile it is. The secret is the flex texture. It changes texture based on water temperature. It's soft in warm water and firm in cold. This product provides deep cleaning power. It's perfect for tackling tough messes. You'll be amazed at what it can do. It's scratch-free and can be used on many surfaces. It's also great for dishes and more. It's truly a multi-purpose tool. This product is odor-resistant and dishwasher safe. It's easy to clean and maintain. It's designed for your convenience. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold. It fits perfectly in your hand. You'll enjoy using it. Get the 8-count roll and keep your home sparkling. It's a great value for such a useful product. Get yours today. What we like. This sponge changes texture with water temperature, firm in cold and soft in warm. It's safe on many surfaces and resists odors. If you like a versatile sponge that adapts to your cleaning needs, you should consider this. What people say. Each side has a unique material. The soft side for wiping things and the rougher side for scrubbing surfaces. I can simply put them in the washer with my other cleaning rags to sanitize them for the next cleaning, don't dry them. Number 1. Scrub Daddy Sponges and CIF All-Purpose Cleaner Kit. Introducing the ultimate cleaning duo. This kit upgrades your cleaning routine. Smart Clean technology uses natural ingredients, ensuring a brilliant clean throughout your home. This will become one of your favorite cleaning supplies. CIF Cream utilizes millions of cleaning crystals. This lifts away stubborn dirt, grease, soap scum, and food stains. It's a powerful solution for a sparkling clean home. CIF is your go-to cleaner for the bathroom and kitchen. It's safe for various surfaces like chrome, enamel, marble, and more. Use it on sinks, stoves, and shower doors. Scrub Daddy sponges let you control the scrubbing power. The flex texture foam is firm in cold water for tough messes. It softens in warm water for lighter cleaning. This kit is safe on many surfaces. Use it everywhere from the bathroom to the garage. Get this simple, 2-piece bundle to tackle any mess. What we like. This kit includes a versatile all-purpose cleaner with millions of cleaning crystals. It's safe for use on many surfaces throughout your home. If you are looking for a complete cleaning solution for your kitchen and bathroom, you should consider this kit. What people say. This works so good on cooktop stoves. It took all the grime off. It left my porcelain sparkling, cleaned the gunk off of my stove top that I had been fighting for months, and it doesn't have that harsh bleach smell. Very easy to use, just squirt it on the areas and wait a minute or so. The grime comes right off. Very effective, and the bottle shape is made functionally well. Slim enough that you can use one hand and long enough to reach difficult to reach areas. Squirts are king distance too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.